Falmouth Harbor, right just after the high tide. Trying to figure some stuff out. The guy told me to hit all the moving water along the east side of Falmouth and maybe some of the beaches as well. I have some sea worms. They're pretty gigantic, and I have some frozen squid, which is not unfrozen yet. The bass are hitting here. The bluefish are supposed to be hitting here, and also scup if you want to use sea worms. So sorry, I'm going the wrong direction. I threw some sea worms out there and I already got a bite. I have my surf rod, which is probably a dumb idea to use for the sea worms because they're little nibblers and I can't film that well, but I felt them last time and they got me. So I might need smaller hooks with those sea worms and try not to get bitten by them as well. I'm going to throw my creek chub later, maybe not. We'll see what happens. I'm going to stick to the sea worms until something happens, so check it out. Well, first one on, I got a scup using the sea worms, just like the guy said. Pretty cool. Has to be at least 10 inches. The guy over here said, I'll believe him. And I'm gonna let this puppy go. But not getting skunked tonight. It's over. Now we're gonna go after, well, whatever else bites. And we got fish number 2, upside down. Super tiny. We'll try it tomorrow. Whoa. He's very lively. But sea worms are definitely honing in on the scup around here. They're a little small, but not big ones. But you know, never get lucky. Might get lucky. I'll try this out for a little while. Then I'm gonna switch over to the squid whenever that dries, gets defrosted. It's getting dark, and number three just landed right in my bucket. Let's go get him. I'm about to fall in the ocean right now. Lean it over. Here's number 3. Fell right in my bucket. He's like borderline, catchable, keepable. I'm not gonna mess with him. Not tonight. Here you go, buddy. Woo! Whew. It's getting dark, as you can see. The time is, I don't know what o'clock. Let's check it out. It's 8:55. The sun's gonna go completely down here soon. I'm gonna be able to see Jack, and then I don't want to slip in these rocks. So we'll fish a little longer. I'm gonna see how it is like just after dark. There's some guys with some pickup trucks. They're prepping their stuff. Some kids fishing from the dock, you know, teenagers and stuff. And sea worms, man, those things have some claws on them, and if you ain't watching, they're gonna get you. So I think my squid might be ready now. I'm gonna pop it open while I can still see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go back to the car. I'm gonna do that, make sure everything's squared away where I can see this light over there, and see what I can do.